This is so cute. It's a cute neckline. Just $20. It is pretty. Yes, handbag. Oh, look at this Steve Madden. This is cute. $34. This guest bag is really pretty for $34. There's some Steve Madden down here. This is cute. This one's just $30. It'll come with this cute little wallet. Let me put you up here. With this little wallet with the tassel. We're gonna snitch out the paper off of it. It's cute. Little Birkin boot. 17. I don't remember Burlington purses being as cheap, but this cute, Steve man. Let's see. How much is it? $34.99. Steve man. You got a lot of Steve man in here. $34. I need a red bag though. This little purse with the charm. I guess $39.99. It's cute. DKNY. $45. What is this? Is this a bag, Sean? This is cute with the shawl. I think I need this. $12.99. I don't know. They got some blue one. They pretty high, baby. You're a Valentine's Day kind of style. $12.99. These are all their bag charms. This plain. This right here is what I was saying. Cute. So this is so pretty. How much is this? $8.99. That blue is pretty. They got Rampage bag charms. This heart is cute. $5.99. See, this more like it. They got this one, leopard print, and a blue one. Well, you're cute. This cute. $7.99, not bad. Be my. It's the same. Okay, these are the same. Okay, this is a cute little bag charm. $6.99. This is really pretty. Get the detail. A crown. She got a crown. $10. Yeah, this $10. They got a lot of bag charm. This is cute. Got the white, the pink. That's pretty here. How much it is? $10 too. Okay. I know. $8.99. Cute little football. I'm trying to find the price. Oh, it's $10. Got more of those down there. Okay. There's some Ed Hardy bags. This one is $30. Pretty cute. Have this one. $25. Have this cutie. Put you up here. for 30. We got this one for 30. Very nice. We got this one for 30. I was playing moves. $30. Another one of them. Okay, this one $30. That is so cute. You can see the bling. I'm getting the details. Cause that's cute. I like that. Let me see this leopard print. Oh, it's the same, but it's this. Okay. Here we go with that noise. Oh, look at this cute pink. Hey, Hardy. This is cute for $30. I like this. Who the Steve man? Oh wow, this is pretty. $30. 27.99. This is cute. I like that. Oh, Madden girl. 27 with some bag charms on it. That's cute. I don't think I'm gonna find a red bag, but I'm looking. Here's some Juicy Couture. It's a cute bag. It's denim. Mm-hmm. Nice price. White earhart. Back to this Juicy. Let's see. Get the original tag, so. For the ones who want that. Is these Juicy? Oh yeah, these Juicy. Okay, this like that nylon. With the pouch. Let's see. Ripping the front. Why does it feel heavy? This one's $20 though. This is pretty. So pretty pink. Some cute little backpacks. Actually what I need. Let's see, Matt. $27. But first with come with the white. On the $30. This is nice. That's a steal. These are the only red bags they got. It's over with. Let's see, that cute. 27. We got this one. This is pretty. Yeah. There are some wallets. I'm gonna show this. $10.99. Got another one. No, this is a Betsy Johnson. This is cute. How much is you? $11.99. $12.99. Oh wait, this one $10. This is cute. This BBQ. I ain't seen no. Oh my goodness, $16. I ain't seen no BB purse in a long time. I had a BB purse. It was my favorite. This is cute. 11.99. I'm looking for a wallet case like this for my purse. That's kind of cute. I want the Coach one. This is pretty. I like this one. Yeah, I like this one. How much is you? This will go with my purse too. This one $10. I think I may need to get this one or this one. I'm looking one. This was ski recently $14.99. It's good. So I don't know. That's cute too. Let me take